Better kindly log in with your own name. No one is allowed to log in with the unknown name. Please, Aryan, better use your own name to log in. Do not log in with any chat name. Assalamu alaikum all.
Walaikum
Muntaha,
Assalam, teacher.
raise a hand, Muntaha, please. Better do not speak in between. Let all the students join the class. You know, yesterday was the Father's Day. Okay. Today we'll be doing comprehension related to it. Let all the students join the class. Okay, Sinan is coming. Okay, let them join. Everyone open the video of yours. Otherwise, I will remove you. Everyone open video, adjust your camera, please. I want to look at your face. Sinan, please, bete. Where are you? More are coming. Okay, Amsal join. Adjust your camera. Abiha, where are you? Amsal. Sit straight, Amsal. Fizan is here now. Everyone write present teacher and message me quickly. Very good, Umara. Abhiya, do it, please. Muntaha, write present teacher. Mois, please. Write present teacher. Your name, class, section, present teacher, please. Quickly write it, bete. Sleepy, sleepy. Good morning, morning time. Wake up, everyone. Okay. Anaya, please, Mois, message me, present teacher. Amna messaged. Okay. Mubashir bete done. Amna done. Rija done. Anaya done. Humera done. Yes, bete Sinan. Asghar, do it, bete everyone. Quickly do it. Shahraza, Sinan, Abdullah Danish. Bete write present teacher. Amsal, write it. Write present teacher. Amsal, set your camera. Danish, open the camera. Write present teacher. Shahraza, write present teacher. Write present teacher. Assalamu alaikum all. Joining 2 minutes late. Open camera and give attendance. Quickly write present teacher. Your name, class, and present teacher, please. Okay, assalamu alaikum everyone. Asghar, I'm unmuting you. Recite the surah, bete. Asghar, unmute yourself.
Miss कौन सी सूरह?
Any short surah you can recite right now.
अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम कुल हुवल्लाहु अहद अल्लाहु समद लम यलिद व लम यूलद व लम यकुल लहू कुफुवन अहद सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम।
Azim, Jazakallah, bete. Subhanallah. Okay, so I'm starting the copy. Like, please, bete. Most of the students have joined the class, but they are not opening their camera. Rahim, Amna Sheikh, what happened? Shahraza, Vania, bete. Please open camera. Everyone should open the camera, please. Okay, Sinan, you have your rough copy with you? Raise the hand. Okay, I'm unmuting you. Do let me know all the topics which I have given you in the start of the class. Unmute yourself, tell the topics.
Letter writing,
Yes,
word classes.
yes, we did.
Teacher, we did not do tenses, paragraph writing, and scripting writing.
Okay, tenses are left. Jazakallah, bete. Today I'm doing comprehension with you all.
Okay.
So tomorrow I'll be doing tenses, inshallah. Okay, everyone have joined it. Abdullah Farhan, please wait your open video. How could I get it? What are you doing right now? You have to listen to comprehension now, my dear. Please open camera. Zayan, please. Have you written present teacher? Kindly open camera, bete. Quickly. Danish, Abdullah Farhan, please open camera. I have to start the class. Zayan, please open camera. I'm waiting for you both to open camera, please. Danish, Abdullah Farhan and Zayan, please open camera, bete. Be active. Do take your notebook with you to write the vocabulary, each and everything, please. Okay, Zayan, listen the comprehension carefully then. I'm sharing a screen. Everyone look at the screen. Munta, all of you, please open camera. Okay. Are you all able to look at this comprehension? Are you all able to look at it? Raise the hand. Okay. I'm starting the lecture with the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and most merciful. Okay. Today we'll be doing the comprehension that is related to our parents. Okay. I'm starting it. Once a farmer brought up his son all alone. Who brought up his son all alone? Farmer Kisan brought up to nurture, parvarish karna, palna, posna. Years passed and son grew into a bright young boy. साल गुजरते गए and the boy grew. बड़ा हो गया, एक खूबसूरत लड़के में change हो गया. The farmer had became old. Now, जो किसान था वो बूढ़ा हो गया. He constantly asked his son to get food and water. Constantly, always. वो अपने किसान अपने बेटे से खाना मांगता, पानी मांगता. What happened when he asked for it? This irritated his son greatly. वो इसके son को बहुत irritate करने लगा. All the time my father is asking for food, asking for water to me. So this was irritating son a lot. So what happened? One day the son sat angrily. उसके बेटे ने बहुत गुस्से से कहा, Old man, I am fed up. बूढ़े आदमी मैं थक गया हूं. Dan, I can't take care of you anymore. अब मैं आपका ख्याल नहीं रख सकता. Now the farmer said, Son, I nurtured you since you were a baby. किसान ने क्या कहा? बेटा, मैंने तुम्हें पाला पोसा जब तुम एक छोटे से बच्चे थे. I fed you before I eat. मैंने तुम्हें खाना खिलाया अपना खाना खाने से पहले. I never complained about it. मैंने कभी शिकायत नहीं की. The son apologized. सन ने उससे माफी मांगी. He was regret to his father, and after that he took great care of him. और फिर बेटे ने अपने फादर का बहुत ख्याल रखा. Again, I'm repeating over. Sorry, the few students joined late. It's very short and brief comprehension, but has a lot of meaning in it. Okay. Let me clear all the vocabulary. First, brought up. Brought up means nurture, to nurture with caring. जो पालते पोसते हैं, just like parents or someone who adopt the child. Constantly, always, हमेशा. Irritated, to make someone annoy or angry. किसी को परेशान कर देना. Angrily, furiously, गुस्से से. Nurture, upbringing. Brought up and nurture have the same meaning. पालना पोसना, किसी को जवान करना, उसका ख्याल रखना. Apologize, express regret, माफी मांगना. Showing your regret. Don't write anything. I'll be sharing this whole comprehension and assignment with you. I'll be giving question answer to complete about it. Okay. Now, I'll be asking question to you from this comprehension. The comprehension is clear to you all. Please raise the hand. Is this clear? Okay. I'm unmuting you one by one. Please share answer. Who brought up the boy? Moise, unmute yourself. Who brought up the boy?
The old farmer.
Very good. When the boy grew up, how was his behavior with the father? Sinan.
His behavior was very bad.
Very
and
good,
he
Sinan.
always irritated with his father.
Very good, Sinan. Humaira, what did father shared with him? What did father share?
I am grow you.
What did give the complete answer? Don't give the short answer.
मिस अब क्वेश्चन आप ही बता देंगे.
Yes.
क्वेश्चन बता दें.
What did father discuss or share with the son?
The father discussed with his son.
Very good. Like he was bringing up the child from?
He was bringing up the child from the
very early age, when he was a child, when he was a baby, and he did not complain about anything. The farmer did not complain about it. उन्होंने कभी शिकायत नहीं की. उस किसान ने अपने बेटे से कभी शिकायत नहीं की. Is that so?
The farmer did not complain to her. Yes.
Very good, Umaira. Amna, unmute yourself. Who brought up the child?
Mr. Father.
Who was father?
Miss farmer.
Very good, Amna. Okay, Rahim. Why was the boy expressing the regret? Unmute Rahim yourself.
Teacher, what is the meaning of regret?
Unmute yourself.
Teacher, I have unmuted.
Regret, asking for forgiveness or apologizing, bete.
Because he was very bad with his father and thinking that his father was irritating him.
Very good, Rahim. Bete, I want everyone join the class on time. Yusra, listen it carefully. If you join after 9:05, I will not allow you. I will not admit you in my class. Get the word of mind. The last timing to join the class is 9:05 and 9:06. Not more than that. At 9 past 10, I won't allow you, bete. You're joining the class when the lecture is over and we are discussing it more. So it's really not good, bete, to join the class when it's about to over. It's really very bad to join very late. Saqib, in the next class, I won't admit you. Open the camera, all of you. Open camera, Yusra. Now unmute yourself. Why are you late? Unmute yourself, Yusra. Why are you late? Unmute yourself. Why are you so late? And I told you, bete, you should join class at 9. I will not admit anyone after that. Please be punctual. Everything has a time, na bete. You should be punctual about it. In this manner, you are interrupting the whole class. How will you get the lecture we had finished? Okay. Yes, Munta. What did the boy learn from the story? Munta. What did the boy learn from the story? Munta, your mic is not working properly. Please write the answer. Abdullah Farhan, same question for you. What did the boy learn from the story? Abdullah Farhan, please give answer. Speak up, bete. Anaya, bete, you speak up, bete. I think their mic is not working.
Miss, the boy learned that we have to respect our parents.
Very good, Anaya. Aryan, did you understand the story? Yes, Aryan, bete. Any confusion?
No, teacher, I
Okay,
understand.
I'm repeating the whole lecture again. Bete, please, who joined very late the class, tomorrow I won't allow them to join the class in this manner. Get the word of mine. It's the last time I allowed you. Okay, again I'm repeating the whole lecture. Once a farmer brought up his son all alone. Years passed and the son grew into a bright young boy. The farmer had become old. He constantly asked his son to get food and water. This irritated his son greatly. One day, the son said angrily, "Old man, I am fed up. I can't take care of you anymore." The farmer said, "Son, I nurtured you since you were a baby. I fed you before I ate. I never complained." The son apologized to his father and took great care of him. Look at the overall comprehension in the first paragraph. Who was Nurturing the child. The farmer was nurturing, brought up nurturing the child all alone. वो अकेला उसको पाल पोस के बड़ा करता है. साल गुजरते रहते हैं और लड़का जवान हो जाता है. किसान बहुत बूढ़ा हो जाता है. जब वो बूढ़ा हो जाता है तो वो हमेशा अपने बेटे से खाना मांगता है, कभी पानी मांगता है. क्या होता है, बेटा बहुत इरिटेट होने लगता है, उसको गुस्सा आने लगता है. एक दिन वो अपने बाबा से कहता है गुस्से में, बूढ़े आदमी मैं थक गया हूं, मैं आपका और ख्याल नहीं रख सकता. किसान उसे कहता है, बेटे मैंने तुम्हें पाला पोसा जब तुम छोटे से बच्चे थे. मैंने तुम्हें खाना खिलाया अपने खाना खाने से पहले. मैंने कभी कंप्लेन नहीं की. लड़का माफी मांगता है अपने अब्बू से और उसके बाद अपने अब्बू का बहुत बेहतरीन तरीके से ख्याल रखता है. Okay, look at the vocabulary. Brought up, nurtured, पालना पोसना, constantly, always, irritated, to make someone annoy, exasperated, angrily, गुस्से से. Nurture, upbringing, परवरिश करना, पालना पोसना. Apologize, express regret, feeling regret, यानी शर्मिंदा होना. Rafe, you also join very late when the lecture is over. And you don't open the camera as well, my dear. Okay, write the present teacher, please. I will not mark your attendance. Yusra, Rafe, who joined too late the lecture. I'll count you absent, please. If you are not joining on time, I will not mark attendance of yours. Everyone write attendance, write present teacher, write your name and class. In this manner, I won't mark your attendance. Yes, anyone want to ask anything? Please message me or raise a hand. Raise the hand. Are you facing any other problem in university, in submitting assignment, in anything? Do let me know.
Miss,
No one is submitting assignment to me.
problem in submitting assignment.
Kindly
Teacher,
raise the hand, everyone. Raise the hand. Aryan, wait, Aryan, unmute yourself. Ji Aryan. Ji Aryan, have you submitted all the assignments? Okay. Anaya, have you submitted? Anaya, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
मिस मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कि हाउ टू सबमिट द असाइनमेंट बिकॉज क्योंकि जब भी मैं करती हूँ असाइनमेंट के ऊपर तो मुझसे होता नहीं है.
Okay, I'm guiding you again how to submit an assignment through University. So everyone, please look at the screen carefully. I'm sharing it. The process to share the assignment through the software University. The screen appear, my dear?
Yes.
Okay, look at that. I'm signing in. First of all, I have to sign in the ID which I received from the school. Then I have to go to homework section. Look at that. I'm going to homework section. After that, there is an option over here to submit. A book icon will appear after this search. Book icon, a small book icon will appear over here. Fine. Okay, let me join with another ID. Wait. Look at this. Which option I have selected? Homework section. In homework section, all the assignment appear. If it's showing check, it's mean I have submitted assignment. If it's showing cross, it's mean I did not submit. This icon, look at this magnifier glass, it will show what is the assignment. If you click on this now magnifier glass, it will represent the whole assignment to you. Look at that. What was the assignment? That was the assignment. Fine. If I click on the book icon, look at this book icon. Here, when I click, it will show this option. add file. So I'll be adding my file over here. The assignment, the picture which I have saved in my computer. Just complete your assignment, click picture from mobile, save in computer, and then you can add over here through a university. Is this clear to everyone how to submit assignment, Abhiya?
But teacher, I
Abhiya?
want to do mobile.
Yes, my dear.
So if I wanted to do with my mobile,
Yes, from mobile as well you can log in, my dear. The option will appear over there as well.
okay.
The same option will appear over there. Go to university, sign in, go to homework section, and after going to homework section, you have to click on the book icon to add your homework over there. Is that clear? There is a
Yes.
book icon to add file. From there, you can add your assignment or homework, whatever you have done. Yes,
Okay.
everyone? Everything is clear to you all? The whole lecture is clear to you all?
Yes.
Abhiya Imran. Wait, let me unmute yours. Abhiya, unmute yourself.
Miss, I want to ask, Miss, can you hear me?
Repeat, bete.
Miss, can you? I want to ask that I have when you say that we should submit our homework assignment. I have to submit my assignment and go on the assignment, and so there is no, in some subjects they are having a small book, and in some subjects
Okay,
they
no
are not
issue.
having.
So I know, bete. Few students are not getting that option. I will discuss this matter, no problem. Inshallah, soon you also will be getting that option. Fine, no issue, bete.
Yes, because
Just send the screenshot to me. No problem, Abhiya, bete. Just click the picture of that problem, whatever you are facing. Just send me the screenshot. Then I will resolve your problem. Whatever problem you are facing, bete, just share the screenshot with me. Please,
Thank you, Miss.
just
Thank
share
you
the
so much.
screenshot. I'll be solving the problem of yours. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
It's a minor issue, bete.
Thank you.
Anyone else?
Okay.
Vania, Yusra, where are you, bete? Yusra, you joined very late and now you are somewhere else. Where are you? Open the camera. Please. Danish, listen the lecture carefully. After that, you will be sharing, Miss, I am having a problem. Right now, as during the class time. Please ask me. Unmute yourself, my dear. First, unmute yourself. If you're unable to speak, then write in message. Unmute yourself. Now speak about the problems. You did not? Okay, no problem. Because of electricity, you did not able to complete. Bete, so many places we don't have the electricity. This is not the issue. You can complete in daytime. In afternoon, you can complete. No lame excuses. I don't want any lame excuse. मुझे बहाने नहीं चाहिए बेटे, please. आप दिन में आसानी से कर सकती हैं. And listen, class year 6, on Thursday we will be having a quiz, a short assessment. So please, everyone should be present on Thursday. Is this clear to everyone? I'll be taking a short test of yours. So everyone should take part in that quiz. No one will take the day off. And no one will submit any excuse that I was having this and that. No lame excuses. Is this clear? Everyone should take part in that. I want everyone. Yusra, open camera, please, bete. At the end, then you will say, Miss, I am facing problem. Please open camera.
Miss Zainab,
I now discuss each and everything during the class time. If you are facing any kind of problem related to my class or related to software, please ask me.
हेलो
Yes, my dear.
मिस जैनब, मैं युसरा की मदर बात कर रही हूँ. असल में सुबह लाइट नहीं थी, इस वजह से हम लेट करने मीटिंग में आए.
Okay, no problem, ma'am. I'm asking about the assignment, homework. Yusra homework नहीं submit कर रही हैं.
मैम, मुझे होमवर्क सबमिट करने मुझे ही नहीं समझ आ रहा था, ना उसी को समझ आ रहा था, तो मैं आज फिर ट्राई करती हूँ. आपने बताया
मैम,
तो मैं
अभी मैंने युसरा को होमवर्क सबमिशन का प्रोसेस कंप्लीट गाइड किया है. प्लीज आप देखा करें. जब मैं इनको शेयरिंग में सिखाती हूँ, मैं अगेन आपको सिखा देती हूँ कि कैसे सबमिट करना है. प्लीज इसको, इन ऑप्शंस को केयरफुली वॉच करें and help her out in submitting assignment. Again, I'm sharing a screen. Please look at the screen and get the options how to go and how to submit. आप मेरी स्क्रीन देख सक रही हैं?
यस मैम।
ओके, पहले आपको यूनिवर्सिटी में लॉगिन करना है, उसके बाद आपको होमवर्क के ऑप्शन में जाना है। होमवर्क सेक्शन ऑप्शन है। जब होमवर्क अपीयर हो जाएगा, आप देखिएगा यहाँ पर मैग्नीफायर ग्लास के पास एक बुक आइकन आता है। इस बुक आइकन को आप जब क्लिक करेंगी तो ये ऑप्शन अपीयर होगा ऐड फाइल का। इसके जरिए आप मुझे होमवर्क सबमिट कर सकती हैं।
ठीक है मिस, मैं आज कोशिश करती हूँ। मैंने किसी सब्जेक्ट
रियली आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू यू ऑल। इफ स्टिल आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, प्लीज काइंडली डिस्कस विद मी व्हाटएवर प्रॉब्लम यू आर फेसिंग, but after the class please don't ask. During the class time you are having full authority to ask related to lecture, related to software, related to Zoom meetings. If you are facing any kind of problem in any option, you can ask during the class time to me, please. And I'm having a QE time as well, 5 to 6 PM. I'm online in university. आप उस वक्त भी 5 से 6 के दरमियान में ऑनलाइन होती हूँ. You can ask about all the queries.
ओके टीचर, मैं इंशाल्लाह। और दूसरा टीचर, आज कौन सी स्टोरी आपने बच्चों को रीड करवाई है?
मैम कॉम्प्रिहेंशन इन्होंने किए। दिस आई विल बी सेंडिंग इन असाइनमेंट एज वेल। Yes student, my class time is ending. Anyone else wish to ask any question, please raise the hand. I hope that today's lecture is clear to you all. Kindly raise the hand everyone. I'll be giving the question answer of this comprehension in assignment. Shahraza, clear or you wish to ask? Very good. Okay, I'm ending my class. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz everyone. Up quickly ask, Maria, quickly ask, unmute yourself.
Miss, can you tell the homework?
Definitely, I will assign through university software. I will not tell over here. I will submit through software. Use software about each and everything.
Okay, Miss. Thank you.
You are my pleasure. My pleasure, bete. Yes. Anyone else? Are you facing any problem? Okay, my dear. Thank you, everyone. Allah, Saqib, did you get that? Saqib is still sleepy. Okay, Allah Hafiz, everyone. Take good care of you.